secret to keeping your car looking like new is a little bit of elbow grease and the right automotive protectants and cleaners. You might not be aware, but products like Armor All are specially formulated for vehicles. They won't harm surfaces like vinyl, cloth, leather, paint, or tires. You might be tempted to use household cleaners to do the job, but some can actually harm your vehicle and you won't get optimal results. A good place to start your vehicle's makeover is in the interior with the carpets. Automotive carpet cleaners contain grease cutters and stain lifters that penetrate fabric fibers and eliminate grease, dirt, and odors. Spray directly onto the carpet. Allow the foam to collapse and penetrate, and wipe off with a damp cloth. You might need to scrub for those more stubborn stains. It works! The dash, door panels, and other vinyl and plastic surfaces can be cleaned and protected with a protectant spray. In fact, using a protectant on these surfaces regularly can help prevent cracking and fading due to sun damage. For greater convenience, you can protect your car with easy-to-use wipes. Be careful to avoid clear plastic and glass surfaces. Leather seats can also look rejuvenated with specially formulated leather protectants. This leather care gel provides a rich look. New for this year is a series of convenient, resealable to-go packages that you can keep in your car for unexpected cleanups. This interior cleaner leaves a natural, no-glare matte finish that won't leave your hands greasy. Now onto the windows. Automotive glass cleaners can get rid of that thin, greasy film that you find on the inside of your windows. Plus, they don't contain ammonia, which can harm factory-tinted windows. For added convenience, you can also use pre-moistened glass wipes, or you can use the to-go pack for removing filmy residue from everything from fingerprints to animal nose smudges. Both leave a streak-free shine. Washing your car with dishwashing liquid or any other household soap is a no-no. Some can leave a soapy scum or even worse, strip off the wax. Plus, automotive car washing products are made to work with cold water. Using a proper car wash like this Wash and Wax, which includes Carnauba wax, will deliver that extra shine. For even greater protection and shine, try this Wax While You Dry gel wax that can cut your waxing time in half. After washing and rinsing your car, just apply the gel onto a chamois or towel. Then dry your car as usual, spreading the gel onto the surface until your car is smooth and dry. What a shine! If you find yourself needing a quick exterior touch-up, these lint-free to-go exterior wipes contain Carnauba wax and safely dissolve harmful elements like bird droppings and sap without harming paint. Finally, tires and rims need love and attention too. Special rim cleaners, tire foams, and tire gels can make them look better than new. Well, we've certainly come a long way from warm water and dish soap in a bucket, but the results speak for themselves. It's enough to make anyone stare.
Car Care is brought to you by Walmart's Automotive Department.